there. Want to get 4,000 watch hour in just 7 days and finally qualify for YouTube monetization? It might sound impossible, but in this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that can help you hit that goal fast. Even if you're just starting, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you the mistakes that keep creators not to grow. So if it's your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a sweet comment, and let's get started and discuss this strategy that can help you get monetized and start making money on YouTube. One is creating the right type of content. Not all videos are going to get you 4,000 watch hour. If you're creating a video of 5 minutes, it's going to take you 48,000 views for you to be able to get 4,000 watch hour. But you can be able to get that target with lesser views. If you focus on the long form videos and live streams, and you encourage people to stick around, at least to be creative enough for your audience to be watching your videos for a longer period. Number two is you create a binge worth playlist. I call it a champion video strategy, whereby you create videos that are related to one another. At least you create 3 videos that are related to one another, then you create a series of that video. If one person watches one video, then they can be able to watch the next video. That means that people are going to watch your videos for longer period. Then number 3 is trending videos and evergreen content. As much as you are creating videos that are within your niche, make sure that you are not ignoring the trending videos. Create videos around the trending topics and at least try to be a bit creative. That way you'll be able to at least be able to blow your channel, because if a topic is trending, the chances of people watching your videos and watching for a longer period is very high, and that means that you're going to get more watch hour, hence you getting closer to your monetization. 2 is mastering the hacks that keep your audience watching your videos for longer period. If your audience watches your video for longer period, it means that the YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos to more people, meaning that you're going to get more views, hence more watch hour. And this is how to do it. Number 1, you have a strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Make sure that your audience can be able to know what they expect to get at the end of the video, so that they keep them watching your videos for longer period. Number 2 is creative editing with visuals and animations, but don't overdo it. At least keep it simple but engaging. Number 3 is asking for engagement. When people comment on your videos and they like your video and you comment on you respond to their comments, YouTube algorithm is going to see that this video is getting more attention, then they are going to promote it to more people. That means that you are going to get more views, and the more views you're going to get, the more you get closer to your monetization. Right? So that's very important. Is drive massive traffic to your videos. Even with the right content, you still need flood of views for you to be able to hit 4,000 watch hour. Here's how to do it. Number 1 is you optimize your videos for SEO. That means you use high ranking keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Instead of saying how to grow your YouTube channel, you can use how to get 4,000 watch hours fast. Number 2 is you leverage on shorts to be able to direct traffic to your long form videos. You can pin the link of your long form video on the comment section of your short, or you go live immediately after posting a viral short. Number 3 is use social media to promote your videos. You can post clips of your long form video in TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and encourage people to watch the long version of the video in your YouTube channel. Number 4 is you collabo with other YouTubers in your niche. You can tap into their audience and get to grow your channel. 4 is maximize on live streaming. Live streaming is the fastest way you can be able to get 4,000 watch hours fast. If you can be able to go live on YouTube for at least 2 to 3 hours daily, and you encourage your audience to continue watching your videos, to continue watching your live stream through questions and at least be engaging on with your live stream. You can react to trending videos. You can do a live stream reacting to a trending topic. You can do a Q&A with your audience, and at least stay longer enough for your audience to continue watching your video. The more they stay on your live stream, the more it continues to count towards getting further on the watch hour. You can use a restream so that you can be able to go live on multiple platforms like Facebook, Twitter, X, sorry. So the other thing is encourage engagement. Encourage people to comment on your videos. The more they comment on your videos, the more the live stream gets promoted, and you get more people coming to your live stream. And then the other thing is to repurpose your live stream. You can cut highlights of your video and you post on your channel like a separate video. That way you still be able to get more views and more watch hour. So that is how you can be able to get more views, because at the end of the day, you need people to be watching your videos for longer period, and the more they stay on your channel, the more you get more watch hour. Yeah, is the biggest mistake that you need to avoid for you to be able to get to 4,000 watch hour. This mistake has been done by many creators without knowing, but I'm telling you this secret for free. Number one, if you ever delete any video, you are reducing your watch hour. When you delete your videos, YouTube is going to reset your watch hour, deducting the watch hour that you had achieved from that video that you have deleted. And number two is relying on shorts. If you need to get 4,000 watch hour and you're posting shorts, you're going to need 10 million views for you to be able to get 4,000 watch hour. That is a huge toll. So instead of focusing on shorts, and shorts, they get you more subscribers, but these people who watch shorts, they don't watch long form videos. So avoid shorts as much as you can. Be able to post shorts, post one short per day, or 2 to 3, not more than 3 shorts, and let them be related to your long form videos. Don't post any random shot. Let it be strategic. And then number 3 is ignoring analytics. Analytics are there to help you to grow your channel. YouTube wants you to succeed, and that's why they give you this analytics, so that you can be able to know what is working and what is not working. So use this information on your analytics to be able to know what is working and how you can be able to repurpose your channel and grow. Don't continue posting videos in a certain niche and yet it is not growing your channel. Focus on what is working and you'll be able to get to your target. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. If you come this far, successful people look like you and the greater Manchester United. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.